The Access Tools Spare Tire Kit is a multi-piece socket-based system that allows for quick and easy spare tire removal during an emergency flat or routine service. The kit works on any SUV, pickup truck, as well as many other new vehicles where the spare tire is difficult to access and a special key and crank are required to remove the tire from underneath the vehicle. The Spare Tire Kit includes a handy user manual which allows the user to quickly identify which tool is used on a particular vehicle. The kit is updated regularly to ensure functionality and usability on any vehicle on the road today. Never again will you have to unload heavy bags from a vehicle's trunk in search of an elusive spare tire key, when you'll have them all in one convenient package. Save your back and your time with the Access Tools Spare Tire Kit. Other kits are big, bulky, heavy, and difficult to transport. The Access Tools Spare Tire Kit stores easily in a convenient heavy-duty carrying case. Don't spend hours doing a job that can take minutes. Lightweight, more compact, and more comprehensive than any other kit on the market, the 15-piece Spare Tire Kit by Access Tools is a must-have product for any automotive service business.